I'm Hemant, Senior Consultant at OnPrintShop. COVID have impacted printing industry a lot, and now we came out in a completely different economy. During this COVID, many of the printing companies were growing their business when most of them were not sure whether they would survive or not. Now, the question is what differently these companies have done which helped them to sail through this completely new situation? Answer is very simple. They have invested in technology which helped them to reduce the manual processes, back-end production challenges, and starting from taking the order till delivery as well. With ready web to print solution, OnPrintShop also helped many of the printing companies to grow their business by increasing the online sales up to 70 to 80% and reducing the back-end error up to 100% during this pandemic. Why? How we have done? We have provided the responsive storefront which help them to manage the different sales channel, product-specific designer studio, and complete robust admin panel which is further flexible for the third-party integration. If you are looking to rebuild your backend system and optimize the order management challenges, then you can book a consultation with OnPrintShop team. Thank you.